What's up, fellow traders? Monday's done. The sell-off continues. The volume's sticking with it too. That's what I like about this one. Is if you notice, the volume's picked up as the sell-off started, and we've still got nice volume today. Big volume will hit when the big sell-off day does come. I'm liking how opposite things are starting to happen now too, where like Microsoft blowout earnings, everybody's calling for a 200 up day on the Dow. Wrong. So these are signs that are definitely good signs that we like to see if we're looking for the pullback. I jumped the gun going short, been adding to my positions, pretty much doubled up on my FAS in the mid-18s, like I stated last week. I think that's going to play out good for me. Like that 10,000, it's definitely like the 300 back in the day, 1929. I pointed that out last week. A lot of things are like the 1929s, and a lot of things are different. Another main thing is, they were pumping everything back then. Everything was fine. They celebrated 1930 New Year like the worst is behind us. Let's prosper. And you know what happened in the next 2 years? The biggest crash of all. Definitely can't listen to the media, what's going on. Like I said, I can't believe how they'll just, bring people in and make them believers, people that don't follow stuff too close. They're going to suck it away. They're going to suck the wealth away one more time. Watch. And, are we going to feel sorry? Part of me is. It's not that Americans are dumb, they just don't know better. And they don't teach none of this in school, finance and economics. You have to go to college and push yourself to learn that. They don't want our children growing up being educated in finance, because when you become educated in finance, you become very wealthy, and when you become very wealthy, you're definitely somebody to reckon with. And you can, change things with your money, just like they're changing things with their money. I'm not going to go over the Dow or S&P today. I'm going to close this out with a little, I'm going to jump through some charts and go over a couple things, like with my Bed Bath with my Joann's. I'm looking at Bed Bath & Beyond, and a lot of retails, Disney, a lot of these, you'll just see how they just bam, bottomed at noon. You can definitely see how they're all trading the same thing. Bouncing for no reason. Every retail bounced at noon when you look, unless it was a Dollar Tree Family Dollar store. But any other retail, Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond, Disney, look at the charts. I'm going to show you a couple. Check this out. This right here is Disney. And why I'm showing Disney, because they're strong. Everything's good at Disney. Everything's growing. But look at when the sell-off does happen. Look at that, $1. Wham! Fast. And look how it bottomed at noon right there. See how it bottomed at noon right there? Look at my Joann's right there. Bam! Almost the exact time Disney turned around, Joann's did too. Look at that, Bed Bath & Beyond. See what I'm saying? You can kind of see a little pattern going on here. But look at this selling. Basically, this buyback here is nothing. That's just everybody you know, all the pro traders, everything kicks in, and then this is where they all dump out right here. You know, I went through this a couple weeks ago showing some hard selling going on, and here it is. It's still here, and we got the volume, you know. I'm just kind of going to click on a couple more. Now here's Hot Topic right here. It didn't sell off too hard, but look at, you know, another retail right at noon Eastern time. We get a little bounce, you know. There's definitely a pattern going on. I think the big boys are definitely clearing things out. I mean, what happened to Baidu? Look at this after hours. Wow, I mean, down $55. See what I'm saying? There is no mercy when it's time to sell, and we're going to see the outcome of this if you don't die. And I tell you, man, the game is on the short side for these big boys. I mean, remember, when the market goes up, everybody makes money. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry with money in their 401k, open it up, everything's great. When the market falls, only the professional traders make money. Everybody else loses money. Let's see if this volume sticks around. Let's see if this buy on the dips is done. Like I said, this 10,000 is really, really like the 300 back in the day. And it'll probably be 10 years down the road before we pass through 10,000. Unless Obama starts shitting gold, or, you know, they strike, you know, the biggest oil reserve in the world to where they can, you know, have a commodity to compensate for all this money they're printing. But what do I know? Good luck.